Hi everyone, it's Ashley from Posh Crochet Patterns. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to do the half double crochet stitch. So, to begin, let me show you what yarn I'm using. I have this rolled up into a nice little yarn ball. This is very nice yarn. This is Caron Simply Soft yarn. And I am using a size 5mm hook. Now to begin, we need to make a slip knot. And if you're a complete beginner who's never crocheted before, what you do is you take your yarn end, you lay it in the palm of your hand. You hold that and you wrap it around your finger. You will take this part of the yarn, overlap that, and you will grab that part. And that creates your slip knot. You insert your hook, yarn end on this end, hold that, and just pull that snug. And to begin to crochet, you take your pointer finger, go like this, and just gently pinch like that. You take this finger and thumb and you pinch right here. Okay. You have your hook. You have it facing you, the front facing you. You're going to go up into this motion. You're going to go up. You're going to turn your hook to its side where you're looking at its side. And then you're just going to slice down. That creates your first chain. I'm going to do that again. Turn it to its side. Just slice down. That's 2 chains. Do that again. And that's 3. Actually feels really, really nice crocheting chains. You'll find that you'll really enjoy it. And for a half double crochet stitch, say we want 10 half double crochets across, we will need 10 plus 2 chains. So if we're doing 10 half double crochets, we will need 12 chains. Let's pull our yarn up, remove our hook. This helps to hold our place so our chains do not unravel. Now we will learn to count our chains. This right here, this chain where your loop is in, that is your first chain from your hook. This is your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. So we have 16 chains. And I want 10 half double crochets across. So all we have to do is just pull this and 1 chain's gone. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And all we do is just insert our hook right there. And there we go. To begin, take your pointer finger, just like that. Actually, just like that. It helps to place your finger on this loop. Now, we will go into the third chain from our hook, and that's our first chain, that's our second chain, and that's our third chain. Now what we will do is we will take our hook and we will just do just like this, okay, just like that. We will bend it down into that third chain. We will go up, turn our hook to the side, and pull down. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, okay. We will go up, turn it to its side, and we will pull through all 3 of those loops. That is our first half double crochet. We will go into the next chain and go down like that. We'll go up, down into the chain, go up, turn it to its side, pull down. We have 3 loops, so that's good so far. We're going to go up, turn it to its side, and we will pull through all 3. And we will continue to do this across the chain. I need to pull more yarn slack, so what I'm going to do is I will pinch my stitch and pull more yarn slack. Prepare to crochet again. Prepare for a half double crochet. And there you go. Pull this up to remove your hook. Excuse me. Now we will count our chains. These nice little interlocking V's, these are our chains. As you see, they look very similar to the first chains that we made. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See that last stitch right there? And that's perfect. That's exactly what we needed. So we insert our hook back into that loop and we just gently pull down. And that's how we prepare for the next row. Now, to prepare for the second row, we need to chain one and then turn just like that. Let's do that again. We will chain one and we will turn. We will be doing the same thing. We will be going in right here. You can see the space. Do you see the space? That is where we'll be going into when we make our half double crochets. So let's do this one more time. Insert our hook, prepare to crochet, chain one, turn. We'll do this again. That's actually called a yarn over. You will hear that a lot. When you get further into crocheting, you will turn your hook to its side, slice down. You have 3 loops on your hook. We'll go up, turn to its side, and pull through. And that is your first half double crochet on row 2. We will do that again all the way across. Going to pinch my stitch, excuse me, pull more yarn slack, and pick up where I left off. Now, the last stitch is always tricky to find in the beginning of learning to crochet. But as you see, that does not look right, right? So we know that we're missing the last stitch. But it's always good to go back and recount your stitches. Now see, that looks better, right? Okay, so pull this up. Let's make sure that we did this right. Actually, I'm going to pull that up a little bit further so I can tuck that down. There we go. That's a lot better. We have our first chain, our second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So we're good to go. We're right on track here. Let's do another row. Just pull that lightly. Prepare to crochet. You need to chain one. And then just grab it and just turn it just like that. We'll yarn over. Insert right there in that first chain. Go up. Slice down. We have the 3 loops on our hook. And then complete the half double crochet. And then the more you get used to this, the faster you'll get. You'll be able to fly right through it. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun learning and making things. When you accomplish something, it is a really great satisfaction inside, like really great. And then when you actually make something really nice and useful for yourself or for your family or your friends, it feels great. It really, really does. I love doing this. I do this every day. This is definitely my love and my passion for sure. I absolutely love doing this. I love making things. There we go. Pull that up. And then we'll recount. Make sure we got it right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. I'm really glad that you got to join me today to learn how to half double crochet. And I will see you again next time. Next time I will be teaching how to do the double crochet. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.